Happy Cinco de Mayo! Today we are making our Pink Señorita Punch that is perfect to serve at your Cinco de Mayo parties. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So the base of a Pink Señorita is usually pink lemonade, and of course you can buy it at the store and make this recipe a lot quicker and easier, but making it from scratch makes the flavor so much better. So today we are making some pink lemonade at home. So here I have just 5.5 cups of water. I divided it so that half a cup went into making our raspberry puree. But first we're just going to start with making some traditional lemonade. So to my water, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. You can add anywhere from a 3/4 cup to 1 cup, but if you're using raspberries and raspberries are a little bit more tart, I would suggest going with 1 cup of sugar. Now I'm just adding 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And now I'm just going to stir this for about 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved. Okay, so now that my sugar has completely dissolved, we can add in some of our raspberry puree. Of course, you can use strawberry puree, it's up to you. I just had a lot of raspberries on hand and thought, raspberry lemonade sounds delicious. So to make our raspberry puree, all you need to do is take about 1 heaping cup of raspberries, add it to your blender with half a cup of water just so that it blends smoother, and then use a strainer to get all the seeds out, and you'll have this nice thick raspberry puree. I'm probably not going to use all of it. I just want to get that nice pretty pink color to my lemonade, as well as that raspberry flavor. Now at this point, you can stop and taste your raspberry lemonade, see if it needs any more sweetness. I don't think mine does at all. Now, if you are just looking for a mocktail, you can stop right here and enjoy a glass of fresh raspberry lemonade. But because it's Cinco de Mayo, I have to grab my tequila. So I'm going to be adding 2 cups of tequila to my punch. Of course, you can add less or more depending on how boozy you like it. Because my punch bowl is getting a little bit too full, I'm gonna add a little bit back to my pitcher just so I can create some space. So here I have just our 1 cup of triple sec going in. So I'm going to very carefully move her over a little bit. And now we can salt rim our glass. So you can just use regular salt, or because it's a Pink Señorita, I have some pink salt. And you can just take your glass, take a slice of lemon juice and run it around the outside so that the salt will stick. And now we can dip our glass into the salt. So now we can just fill our glass up with some ice and pour ourselves a Pink Señorita. Sorry to interrupt, but for all the fantasy readers, I just published my first ever novel. If you want to check it out, you can find the link in the description below, or you can scan the QR code right here. And before I can try our cocktail, I'm just going to pop into my garden real quick and grab some fresh mint as a garnish. I choose you. As for garnishes, I have a few of them. So first, I just have a slice of lemon that we can add to the side of our glass, as well as a few fresh raspberries, because who doesn't love a snack when you're having a cocktail? And last but not least, our fresh mint. Okay, now that just looks beautiful and delicious. My favorite kind of combo. And of course, we have to try it. I have to say, this is absolutely delicious and perfect for any Cinco de Mayo celebrations. If you want to see some more of my punch recipes, there will be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a fun and safe Cinco de Mayo. Cheers!